Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2021 related to data structures course. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me discuss the question, then I will provide the solution for you. What is the question they have given? Consider the sequence of operations given below. They have given a stack operations and queue operations, and finally they are asking us to find the s plus r value. So if you want to compute s plus r, we need to compute the s value and r value, then we can perform the addition. Now look at the stack. What is the stack? Stack follows the principle called first in last out principle, and in stack we will have push and pop operation. What is meant by push? Inserting an element into the stack is called as push operation. Deleting an element from the stack is called as pop operation. Initially top is equal to -1. If top is equal to -1, then we can say that stack is empty. Now if we are implementing the stack using the array, we will have index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, so on, goes up to the size of the array -1. Okay, now push 52, so we need to insert the 52 inside the stack. So 52 will come. Now top is equal to 0. Are you able to understand? Again push 56. Now 56 will be inserted here because it is first in last out principle, because both insertion and deletion we will perform from the top only. Now pop. Okay, now look at what is the top value. Top value is 1 after inserting 52 and 56. Then pop. Pop means what? Deleting an element from the stack. Which one will be deleted? If we write a statement called pop, then the topmost element will be deleted. So if you write pop, 56 will be deleted and top will become 0. Now 56 is been logically deleted from the stack. Now push 62. Now again 62 will be inserted and top is equal to 1 now. Are you able to understand it or not? Again they have written s is equal to pop. Now which element will be popped? This is the element has been inserted now. Last in first out. See, stack will use the principle called first in last out or last in first out. So 62 element was inserted at last. If you perform the pop, that element will be deleted. So s will get the value as 62. Is it clear? Now we will come to the operations related to the queue. Now queue follows the principle called first in first out principle or last in last out. Usually queue we will represent like this. We will have two variables called one is front, another one is rear. From the rear side, we will perform the enqueue operation. From the front, we will perform the dequeue operation. Now, what is meant by enqueue? Inserting an element into the queue is called as enqueue operation. Deleting an element from the queue is called as dequeue operation. Always, we will perform the deletion from the front and enqueue operation from the rear. Initially, front and rear will be -1 if you are implementing the queue using the array. If front and rear is equal to -1, then you can say that queue is empty. Let's take that some elements are there. Just for example, I am telling clearly for you. If you have 1, 2, 3 elements are there in the queue, then front will be pointing to the first element and rear will be pointing to the last element. If someone asks you to display the elements from front to rear, what are the elements are there? Those elements you need to display. Now let's take that queue is empty. Now front and rear is equal to -1. Okay. Now they have asked enqueue43. So it will be enqueued from the rear side. This is the first element. So 43 will be inserted and front and rear will be equal to 0. Front and rear is equal to 0 because this is the first element and this is the last element. Now enqueue24. Again you have to enqueue from the rear side. Now front is 0, rear is equal to 1. Now this is the first element and this is the last element. Dequeue, meaning is that they are asking us to delete one element from the queue. which element will be deleted? This element was first inserted, that element should be deleted because Q uses the principle called first in, first out. So if you DQ, 43 will be deleted, and now front view will increment. So front and rear is equal to 1. Okay, are you able to understand? Again NQ 57. So here you will insert. Now rear will become 2, front is still 1. Okay, is it clear? Now again they have written R is equal to DQ. Again they are asking us to delete. If you delete it, the R will get the value 24 and front will be incremented. Now front and rear is equal to 2. Logically we have deleted this element. In the Q only one element is there. Now R got the value 24. S value is 62. R value is 24, which is nothing but 86. So right answer for this question is 86. I hope you have understood. This is very simple question. If you know the stack operations and queue operation and what is the principle of stack and what is the principle of queue, you can easily solve this question. Okay, I hope you have understood the question which I have discussed. If you still have any doubts related to this question or related to the stack and queue, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.